Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix and able to use this effect on your device on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, add. Here you're going to find the read section. And lastly, right here, you're going to find your profile section. So basically guys, right now, in order to fix and able to use this effect on your device on Instagram, first of all, you need to know the reason why. So the obvious reason is maybe just your device is not compatible with this effect. If not, then maybe just you need to update your Instagram application. In order to do that, just go ahead and follow the steps I'm going to show you. First of all, leave Instagram and then go to Play Store or App Store, depending on which phone you have, and then open it. And after that, just go to the search section, click on the search bar, and then search for Instagram. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Instagram. And then once you're here, you're going to find two options, uninstall, and right next to it, you're going to find either update or open. If you find the update button available, this means that your application is not up to date and you need to update it. So go ahead and click on update and then just wait for the update to finish. And then once the update has finished, click on open and then this will take you back to Instagram and your problem should be fixed. If not, then your device is just not compatible with this effect and you can't use it on your device. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.